Okay, I caught my wire and pulled my camera out on that one. So yeah, we're back again. I left off on a really, really horrible looking one. It was, as far as I'm looking at it, there's my child in the background. There we go. As we was looking at it, it was the last question on 113, the sort of that you're going to get asked, and you're going to struggle on it, okay? Because it does look hideous. It looks vile. So the one that it's previewed for me is root 8 times the square root of 1/98th. And straight away you look at that and go, seriously, sir, what the hell? But there is nothing there. It looks more complicated. So we're deeper into it, but it's nothing that we've not already discussed up here. So just follow it. We have a times. We are multiplying two surds together. So just because one of those surds happens to be a fraction and it looks naughtier, doesn't change it. Carry on the same. If I said what is 8 times 1/10, we would have 8/10. So here, 8 lots of 1/98ths, we have 8/98ths. And we're surd times surd, so we're still a surd. That would get you a mark on an exam. That's your easy mark. So straight away you go, well, what can I do with that? That still looks pretty vile. Well, we have a fraction. So let's just remind ourselves that if we're doing surds, we know how to simplify a fraction. So let's simplify the fraction. What goes into 8 and 98? Well, they're both even numbers, so let's half them. 4/49. And it's still the square root of all of it. Notice I'm putting the square root around all of the fraction. Okay, well, you know how I said we write down our square numbers at the top, so hopefully we can see these things. Well, now you go, well, that's the square root of 4 and the square root of 49. It's in two parts. Well, what's the square root of 4 is 2. What's the square root of 49? 7. So there's your answer. Now that is a hell of a lot nicer to look at than that. We can do a lot more with that. And so the whole point of this is we've got to try and teach ourselves to not be scared of what initially looks like a horrible question. They're never going to give you a question that's impossible to answer. So just give it a go. All right, and I'm going to pause this one here and see what's on the next video for you.